So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to use PayPal on Coinbase. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So how to use PayPal on Coinbase. So basically it's really simple. So first off, you'll have to have your Coinbase as usual. So you should always complete all identity document verification steps, and then that your country is residence is correct, and then from the account settings you just go to click payment method, link a new account from a computer, or tap add a payment method in the mobile app, then select PayPal and you'll be prompted to log into PayPal. That's how you log into your PayPal in Coinbase. So after that, this is just an important note. If your PayPal email does not match your Coinbase email, you need to complete two-factor authentication on Coinbase for security purposes. And then another note, your PayPal's account country must match your Coinbase account's country too. And you can only link your PayPal account to one Coinbase account at a time. So you can't do it on multiple accounts, you can only do it on one. To add a different PayPal account, you must unlink your previous one on file. So there's unlinking also. And you can also buy cryptocurrency or add cash using PayPal. So there's a buy-in and cash out limits also on Coinbase from PayPal. So let's just say you want to cash out with 25,000 US dollars. There's a rolling limit of 24 hours. And there's so many more. You can also go to coinbase.com/help, where you can find all those details that I'm telling you. So there you go. That's just how you basically use PayPal on Coinbase, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.